Welcome to the guided notes presentation about the excretory system. Today we'll be completing the guided notes titled The Excretory System. If you don't have them out, please pause the video and get them out now. The excretory system only has one job: to filter the body's wastes from the blood and remove these wastes from the body. These wastes are the remains of cellular respiration. Don't confuse body waste or cellular waste with food waste. The excretory system does this function through three main mechanisms: by filtering urea from the blood, making urine, by exhaling carbon dioxide and water, and by sweating out water, salts, and other wastes. On the right, let's take a look at the structures of the excretory system. The liver is responsible for, among lots of other jobs, breaking down cellular wastes into a substance called urea. Urea is put back into the blood to be transported to other structures. The primary structures filtering out most of the urea are the kidneys. When the urea is filtered out of the blood with some water, the kidneys form urine. The nephrons in the kidneys are the structures that do the actual filtering. There are millions of nephrons in each kidney. The ureters are tubes connecting the kidneys to the urinary bladder, allowing urine to leave the kidneys. The urinary bladder stores the urine. And the urethra is the tube connecting the urinary bladder to the outside world. The lungs are responsible for putting carbon dioxide and water back into the air. And the skin is responsible for getting rid of wastes through the sweat glands. Now let us label the diagram on the left. The aorta brings blood from the heart to the kidneys, where the urea is filtered out of the blood. Once the blood is done filtering through the nephrons of the kidneys, it is put back into the inferior vena cava, one of the main veins, back to the heart. The ureter transports urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. The sphincter muscle at the base of the urinary bladder, when contracted, keeps you from peeing yourself and should only relax when you tell it to, releasing urine into the urethra and out of the body. This concludes the guided notes on the excretory system. We'll see you in class.